Hello, my name is Andrea Orjuela. I am 34 years old. I am from Facatativá, Cundinamarca. You live in Facatativá. I am inspector of quality in Jambal of Colombia. My hobby is dancing. I am living with my parents. I am industrial manager. My favorite food is lasagna and glazed milk. My favorite television show is The Simpsons. My favorite sport is mountain bike. Bueno, I am the morning is get up at 5:30 and get ready and go to work. I enter at 7. You arrived at my work verifying that I have to do inspection for some products. Now I am going to have vehicles with my friend to control heavily product. Something we had meeting with our colleagues. We started conversation with the people who were had the verify they were. I got out the lunch of the one. I am return to had continue Unitel free with their different activities. That it moves the one the day every day there are several times to do. You live at 5. I am in return to the house comparting with my parents. I am 8 why me you dedicate to study until 12.